everyone, today's video is to teach seekers on how to use bonus points to redeem gifts in ES. First, click on the menu on the home page of the ES software. You can choose to click the ES button or click the Tutu button to enter the points redemption page. In this video, we will use the Tutu platform as a demonstration. Came to the home page of the Tutu platform. First, click on the category to select the points redeem category. Or you can also go to the product category below on the Tutu homepage, and then click on the points redeem. On the Tutu points redemption page, here you can check the items that can be redeemed with points. If you want to redeem, click this button to enter the redemption area. Display all the points you currently have at the top of the redemption area page. Arranged from left to right are N points, bronze, copper, silver, and finally gold. In each product exchange, at the upper left corner is the product picture and name. Below is the product that shows the amount required for each type of bonus points to redeem. Next, the balance is displayed here. The system will automatically help you calculate the amount of each of your current points, and deduct the number of points required to redeem the product, so as to show the preview for you to check easily. Therefore, you don't need to figure it out by yourself. In the upper right corner, if you have enough points to redeem this item, the button will be in green. But if any type of the points is insufficient, the button will not be in green. When you choose the product that can be redeemed, click the green button. You are required to fill in the following information: the name of the recipient, the address of the recipient, etc. Then click the submit button. Congratulations, you have successfully redeemed this product. Warm reminder that every seekers can exchange up to 3 items at a time. After the exchanged items are delivered to you, the system will then open back a maximum 3 times of the exchange slot for you. To view the items to be redeemed, click the button on the top left of the software homepage. After clicking the button, it will display the information of the items that have been redeemed. This video ends here today. See you in the next video.